Hello guys! For today's video, I'm eating paksiw or inunan. It's a crappie fish. Of course, we have rice here and coffee. We just got home from church. Me and my husband go to church. So let's try. Can I have a fork? I made this inunan yesterday, guys, but I don't have a chance to eat. Lami kaayo mga unta, guys. Akong inunan. Wala na himbis, kag himbisan ako. Lami kayo. Makahurot og bahaw, guys. Kaunta, guys. Inunan. Lami kaayo. Yeah. Ulan-ulan man, guys. It's raining, so need really good for sleeping, right? Go to church, eat, and sleep. So, ako ning gihimbisan, guys, because I bought that little things for Shein, but it's good, Lami kaayo, guys. Thank you for watching.